Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly what to do if your Facebook advert has been rejected because it violates Facebook policies. As you can see on the screen, it says post cannot be posted. This ad in this post doesn't comply with our personal health and appearance policy. Boosted posts can be edited. Choose a post using a different ad or request review if you believe that this post was incorrectly rejected. Now, if you come to below it, it says personal health and appearance policy. Ads must not contain content that focuses on a person's body or body part or before or after, and content that contains unexpected or unlikely result. Now, when you click on see details, you see the rest. You may also see something like this, okay, in the ad manager, where it tells you your advert is rejected because it doesn't follow whatsoever policies they will be stating there. If you want to know the details, you click on this, it will send you there. Or if you come to the ad manager, you want to know the specific advert that specific policy, where you open to the advert that is rejected and go to the ad level, you will see something around here, just like what I was reading earlier. And so this is what will show. It will show you this information that is telling you about what policy you have violated. Now, when you see this particular thing, so what you need to do is to know the details of the policy you have violated. You have to click here. You have to click here. You see, it will open and show you the details of what they are saying. So what they are saying is that you can use a picture that is like this. And this particular policy I'm talking about exactly, it affects a lot of people, especially those selling health-related products, cosmetic products, where you need to indicate the result the person is likely to get after using the product, or you may need to indicate that this is the problem that we are solving. So for example, as you can see this picture here, we are selling a product that is solving acne or pimples. It will help to remove acne and pimples. So you can see here someone's face is like this, and with all these pimples and all that is disturbing, and a lot of people are looking for a solution. Unfortunately, Facebook is saying that we cannot run an advert indicating people that the certain type of skin or face is not beautiful, and we are going to help them get another option that is beautiful, or we will get them a product that can help take away their pimples. That Facebook is saying is against the law. So they're saying we can use this. We can indicate something like this. This image focuses on physical fitness and is compliant. This is non-compliant image of wrinkles. So you see that we can talk about wrinkles. Then here, the image promotes healthy eating habits and is compliant. Here, the image of a person's abs or six packs is zoomed in and non-compliant. So that this is not non-compliant. Here, the image of a person drinking vegetable juice is compliant. This one, the image of implies weight loss and would be non-compliant if used to promote a diet or weight loss product. The image of a person or on a scale would be non-compliant if used to promote a diet or weight loss product. So all these are things that are non-compliant. You see, yeah, this is a non-compliant image of a lightening skin. So they are saying that we cannot do all these things. So you see all the images they provided here are things that doesn't really show exactly what we are trying to promote. But what can we do? So what we have to do is to try as much as possible to put our advert in a way that Facebook will not have any problem with it. So it's not only this particular policy, any other policy that your advert might be violating, you go and read it and make sure that you tweak your advert to at least align with that policy. So if you check here, I've come to use an image, another design with an image that doesn't, so as you can see this image, it is not exactly like the one I used earlier. And this one, at least they cannot see, it will be difficult to be able to distinguish the problem or whatever I'm saying I will solve in this picture. You know, remember they are using AI or algorithms. So we try, even if you try and they don't approve it, you can still make changes. So if I try and they don't approve it, I can use the image alone to indicate. So that is what you can do. So let's try and see what they will say. So let me even come here. Okay. So this is the one they rejected. So what I'll just do is I'll have to duplicate it. I want to duplicate it. After duplicating it, just come and change the name slightly and then publish. So when you do that, after a review, this one is likely to be approved. Even if they don't approve it, you can still make changes and make sure that you make the changes to comply with what they are asking for, and your advert will be approved. If you follow this procedure and you don't get a solution, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll come to help you get your issues resolved. If you are also running advert and not getting effective result, you can follow the WhatsApp link in the description to WhatsApp us. I'll be able to look at it and then see what best we can do to run effective ad campaigns for you at a very affordable price. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for other more powerful videos like this. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.